Vanakkam, Vanakkam friends. Good morning, everyone. Today was bit free, so I thought of starting a bit earlier. And markets also is supposed to open right at the psychological figure of 16,000. So thought it might help people if we are online a bit early than normal. Good morning, Harry. Good morning, Amit. Mm, Give me a minute. Let me open the commodity charts and come back so that we could see if any opportunity arises. Mm, MCX. Everything is in red right now, barring gold. Yesterday it was a bit bad luck. The copper hit our SL first and then hit our second target. Couple of members have missed it on the second opportunity. During last week itself, I have clearly mentioned copper. My target is for positional, and whatever the dip you see, please buy it. But unfortunately, couple of members have ignored that message. Let's see where pre-open settles. Pre-open. Yeah. Pre-open settles almost 1% down. Bank Nifty is underperforming at opening as per pre-open close. Let's see. In 900 put option. We could try some hedged kind of trades today. It's expiry day. We need not rush because last couple of times when we have taken our expiry day trade in the morning itself, here are zero trades. Couple of trades have failed, so I don't want to take risk like that this time. Let's wait for some time and then take trade. And good morning Prajwal, good morning Viral. Am I audible? Am I audible and is the video is clear? Video clear? Nobody responds. Let me increase the volume. So now I have increased the volume a bit. There could be an immediate bounce back from opening, and then we might see Nifty dropping. Prajwal, thanks for confirming. Good morning, Devaraj. Let us see how market opens. I mean, market performs after opening. VIX may open straight above 24, sorry, 23.5, and this kind of fall is seen. So L&T and Tata Motors declared results today. Both of them have been already hammered like anything. So let's see whether they show some reversal signals so that we can take a trade over there. Have 16,000 and 16,000, I mean 16,000 and 16,100 call in your watch list. Let's grab if we get some opportunity. Gone directly below 15. Let's see what is SGX low. That becomes a crucial point today. Because if SGX low holds, then we can see a bounce back. Okay, 948 is HDFC low. So if that particular low holds, then we can see some pullback rally. Maybe it could be small, but we will see. Probably Axis and ICICI Bank. If they turns, we can see a small up move. Yes, we are going towards SGX low. $16,000 call option. By um, given a buy call for Nifty, 16,000 strike. If people wish, you can also take. In between, if you people have any questions, you may ask by posting over here. as expected. 23.5 is where VIX quoting. Guys, never rush, please. Like I have been informing couple of days before itself, it is just a matter of fact when Nifty is going to hit 16 500 odd level, sorry, 16 700 odd levels, 15 700, I mean 15 700 odd levels. So don't think that it will bottom out 15 900, 15 950, 16,000, somewhere like that. If it has to respect technicals, it must go and test that particular level. Hence, please don't rush. Could have given a call in 15,900 put as well, but it rallied a bit before itself. If it comes down, we can hedge it. We can hedge our call option, because whether we don't know whether the upside move will sustain or not, but if it goes on the downside, if it breaks 15,900, another 200 points will be done very easily, because it has to go and test that particular level. Good morning, bro. I'm not able to read your name. It is in Telugu, I guess Telugu or Kannada, I don't know. But good morning, bro. Markets don't give false signals. When it has to reach, it has to reach. That is what. Yeah, Naveen, good morning. After a long time seeing you. Bank Nifty support zone is 34,000. So if we are comfortable, we can take a trade when it comes near 34,050 odd levels. In futures, I am saying, not in spot. Because since it's expiry day today, we are concentrating on the futures values. That is the only reason. No, bro. 16,000 call I have given, but here I said that we could have hedged it by taking 15,900 P. Since the P has raised a bit, we need to wait for some dip to get that particular thing. See, I will make my comments very clear always. My intention was to buy around 50, but it has moved to 60. So that's the reason I said when it comes down, we can buy. So if you have 16,000 call as well as 15,900 put, what will happen is if 15,900 is given off in Nifty, in Nifty, and if it sustains, we can easily see another 200 point cut, which will take it to 15,700, which is the support area. In that case, we will make money in put side. That is the reason I have said. But it has moved higher. See, whatever moves higher has to come down. It will not be a one-way kind of rally. Definitely it will come back. At that time we can take a trade. Nothing wrong even if we take, but we are taking at a higher price. That is the only stuff. I have placed a buy order for Bank Nifty at 34,020 in futures. If I get, let's see. Looks like we we could have chased the put at 55, 58 odd levels. Very bad. It's moving like a rocket. Look at the charts. When I was seeing it, it was somewhere around 54, 55 odd zones. I thought if it drops to 50 or 45, somewhere near that, we could take a trade. But unfortunately, we missed it. But anyways, let's see whether we are getting Bank Nifty trade or not. 34,000 call of Bank. Just add Bank Nifty 34,000 call and 33,700 put in your watch list. We can grab it when 33,800 would also be good. 33,800 we, let me see, yeah, both of these. Just add both these in your watch list. Let's see if we get a trade over there. When Bank Nifty comes around 34,000 mark in futures, that time we may think of entering into the trade. VIX has gone about 24, means all up move will get sold into. Let us see. It's very good that we have exited 16,100 call yesterday itself. We thought of inflation figures of US looks good, then we would have gotten a gap up opening, but it hasn't happened. picked Bajaj Finance's fight at 5637. People who are willing can take it, but remember it is a weird one and wild one. So I don't blindly recommend for others in futures. I have taken in futures actually. Bajaj Finance. Lot size is 125 here. Easy 25 points move. 5637 was the place I suggested. It was quoting at 5635 at that stage when I sent you the message. Now he has climbed a bit. If someone has taken, decide where to exit. Friends, if you have any queries, just keep posting. We will try to answer as and when I see the question. P is not even dropping 10 points. Even 10 points drop is getting bought into immediately. I was waiting for 50, but unfortunately we haven't got it. Bad. See, when VIX is above 20, we are supposed to book profits on time when in our long positions. Why? Because any kind of up move will get sold into immediately. So that's the reason I'm suggesting you people exit as and when you see good profits. I mean, it could not be big, at least maybe 1000 rupees or 800 rupees or 700 rupees. That could be a decent profits where you can exit. Bank Nifty at crucial area now. Let me see whether we can pick any bank. Actually, Bank Nifty we have added a call and put to our watch list. Suggested when it comes to 34,000 take both, but I don't know, people I don't know whether some people have taken it or not. Let me see. Uh, yeah, let me see. So just like a rocket, guys. 50 put option. Yes, some important levels are getting reached. But the thing is, if we come up without sustaining below, that is good. If not, then that will be very poor and ugly. We can see a further fall. Bank Nifty is very bearish. Actually, we have our inflation data today. Normally, inflation data comes around 12 noon, but not sure what time they are declaring it today, because they are often changing the timings in our markets. That creates lots of confusion. So, let me see. Bank Nifty 34,000 call. Nifty 16,000 call. Do one thing, guys. Please have 16,000 call of Nifty of next week in your watch list. Not this week, just next week. Let's see if we see 15,700 today. If 15,700 is seen today, just pick that call, because bounce can be little bit sharp if it bounces from there. Look at the way from where Axis Bank bounces. My level is 655 for buying. It bounces from 656. It is something funny and freaky for me. In fact, Bank Nifty outperforms Nifty on downside today. Nifty is down 1.78%, but Bank Nifty is down 2.15%. That's how it is. On Bank Nifty back above 34,000. Now the thing is, if he sustains, we can see some good move. Good move in the sense, it will not be like 700, 800 point kind of move. Maybe 300, 400 points kind of move is the one which we can see. But sustaining above 34,000 is not an easy job. We need to remember that. Maybe if it takes 34,040, there are chances of sustaining. Or else if Bank Nifty takes out 34,000 in spot, then there are chances of sustaining above that particular level. The moment it broke the Singapore Nifty low, which was 940 or 950, I think so. The moment it broke, it was like a disaster kind of stuff, and 100 points it has shaved off in very quick time. uh, Wix above 24, even 100-point bounce will be sold off. Yes, definitely it will get sold off. But if we are bouncing from critical zones, the critical zone is the one which I have said in the opening view. 15,670 is the exact number. Just to make it remembering for us, I have put it as 15,700. And if we are bouncing from there, maybe 20 points here or there would be enough. Okay, if we are bouncing from there, then even the bounces will sustain. Why? Because we have tested the support area, and when we are bouncing from there, obviously the fear will release a bit. What is VIX? It is a fear gauge, fear index, fear factor, whatever it may be. 16,000 was C or P. Bro, I have given C only. I have given C, but I have said that we can hedge it with 15,900 P at 50, but unfortunately, without giving opportunity, it rallied from 55 itself. Friends, if you have any questions, just keep me updated over here. We'll try to answer as and when I see your question. Second attempt of Bank Nifty crossing 34,000. Just give me a minute. ஆக்சுவலாக வந்து வெயிட்டிங் லிஸ்ட் 11-12 நார்மலாக தக்க ஏசிக்கு போகணும்னு நினைக்கிறாங்க கண்டிப்பாக தக்காமல் புக் பண்ணுவாங்க. அவங்க தக்கலில் புக் பண்ணாங்கன்னா அவங்களோட வெயிட்டிங் லிஸ்ட் அதில் கன்ஃபார்ம் கொடுத்துருச்சுன்னா இதை கேன்சல் பண்ணுவாங்க. இது வந்து சாட்டர்டே மார்னிங் டிக்கெட்டில் போகிறாங்க. நானும் வெயிலில் அப்போ பார்ப்போம். நான் கொஞ்ச நேரம் முன்னாடி பார்த்தேன் 11 போகணும்னு. எனக்கு என்னென்னா அந்த அதில் இவங்க வந்து இந்த வெயிட் லிஸ்ட் ஏசியில் கம்பல்சரி போகணும்னு இருக்காங்க. அவன் வந்து கண்டிப்பாக பண்ணுவான். அவன் வந்து நம்ம வெயிட்டிங் லிஸ்ட் அவனுக்கு கன்ஃபார்ம் ஆயிடுச்சுன்னா அவன் வந்து கேன்சல் பண்ணுவான். அதனால சரி ஹோல்ட் பண்ணி பார்க்கலாமா. நாளைக்கு மார்னிங் டைம்லையா? நாளைக்கு மார்னிங் சரி சரி சரி. When second attempt got failed above 34,000. Here it made one attempt and here it made one attempt. Let's see if we are getting any third attempt. Even if we get a third attempt also, until it crosses 34,000 in spot, it will be a little bit of jittery kind of stuff. That is the thing. The third attempt, can we take out 34,040 and sustain? If that happens, then we can see some 100-200 point quick up move immediately. Sir, is there any support of Wipro? It is falling every day. Is there any serious issue with the company? See, it's not serious issue, bro. It is like overvaluation of the IT companies for the last 1 year. Okay. See, historically speaking, only during last year, the index of IT is trading higher than that of Bank Nifty. I don't know whether you have seen how long you are trading. If you have gone through the past and look back the history, Nifty IT would be trading somewhere around 17,000, 18,000, 19,000 like that. But uh, Nifty Bank would have been trading around 28,000, 29,000, something like that. But during last 1 year, the IT has overtaken everything and it has climbed nearly to 40,000. I wouldn't say exactly 40,000, it is somewhere near 39,000 something. Okay. In this period, Bank Nifty has not even touched 40,000. In fact, there should be a there will be always a like 9,000, 10,000, 8,000, 9,000 points difference between Nifty Bank and Nifty IT. On the whereas where Bank Nifty will be on the higher side and Nifty IT will be on the lower side. But in last 1 year, in 2021 especially, IT has overtaken and it has climbed nearly 1,000 points. I mean 5,000 to 8,000 points higher than that of the Bank Nifty, which means 8,000 over here and 5,000 to 6,000 over there, which is already 13,000 points in a divergence. So that is the reason IT stocks are getting falling. I have already quoted that we will see breakdown in IT, especially in mid cap IT, because a couple of companies which we have seen are extremely overvalued. Extremely in the sense really extremely. Okay, so in that case, you should not take a risk by investing right now. Remember where I have suggested Infi will take support. Infi will take support at 1500, around 1500 I said. When it was quoting around 16,000, 1600. It has easily dropped. Wipro is a smaller stock when compared to Infi or TCS. That's the reason it could be falling. The problem is if we are with futures, we will be forced to pay M2M margins. But if we are trading in cash segment, we need not worry at all. But uh, let let us see through charts. I will just convert this into a weekly chart. See how it has performed. Okay, maybe despite instead of weekly, I will go for monthly charts. You will get a clear picture. See, in last 2 years, what has happened from 2020, from 2020 to 2022 beginning. Okay, it's yeah 2002 beginning. See, from where it has rallied till how much it has rallied. Just give me a minute. I am receiving a call. Hello. சொல்லுங்க. யாருங்க? சொல்லுங்க. சொல்லுங்க. என்னங்க? இல்ல புரியல என்ன சொல்லுங்க சார் என்ன விஷயம்னு சொல்லுங்க. சரி. ஆமா ஆமா. ஆ, நான் கொஞ்சம் வெளியில இருக்கேன் சார் இப்ப அதனால தான். என்ன இன்ஸ்பெக்ட் பண்ண நீங்க? ஆஹா. உங்க நேம் சார்? முகமதா? ஓகே. நான் வந்து ஆக்சுவலாக வந்து நைட்டு ஊருக்கு போகிறேன். ஊருக்கு போகிறதுக்காக திங்ஸ் எல்லாம் கொஞ்சம் வாங்க வேண்டியிருக்கு, அதனால வெளியில் வந்துருக்கு. சரிங்களா? ஐ வில் பேக் ஒன்லி ஆஃப்டர் 20th, 20ஆம் தேதிக்கு மேலே தான் நான் திரும்பி வருவேன். இல்லை நான் தான் பார்த்துக்கிறேன். நான் வந்து வெளியில் போகிறேன்றதுனால என்னால் இப்போ எதுவும் பண்ண முடியாது. நான் வந்துட்ட பிறகு கால் பண்ணிட்டோமா, உங்கள் நம்பர் நான் சேவ் பண்ணி வச்சுருக்கேன். நான் வந்துட்ட பிறகு கால் பண்ணிட்டோமா? ரைட் ரைட். I'm sorry, Bipin, in between I got a call. See the charts of Wipro from where it has gone till where. Okay, from 170 odd levels. Forget about this COVID fall that happened in March. Let's take it from April. April close, February. From 221 odd levels, it has rallied to 750 odd levels, almost 740 odd levels. From 220 to 720, which means a 500 point up move. Forget about 500 point up move. In percentage, if you calculate, it is more than 250 points up move. Almost 225% up move. That is the reason it is falling. Even now, on monthly charts, he is just broken the 20 moving average. 50, 100 and 200 are way below it. Okay, if you want the next support where it can take next level where it can take support, then it will be 397. That is the level. It fails again. Bank Nifty. Hope my explanation made you understand about the sharp fall in IT sector. So this is it is like a sector rotation kind of stuff, bro. Nothing else. Now from here on, IT will move slowly, but banks will move fastly. That is what will happen. Over a period of time, we will see IT index back again somewhere around 28,000, 30,000, 35,000, and Bank Nifty will be 5,000 points on the higher side. That is how it will be. We were expecting 34,040 to be crossed, but unfortunately he turned from 34,043 itself. Now this will be a little bit of jitteriness. Why? Because VIX has also climbed, and then not even 40-50 points up move is getting sustained. See, from here 852 we have rallied till maybe 910, which is somewhere around 60 points, 55 to 60 points. Even that move is not getting sustained, it's getting hammered. Your view on Balrampur Chini as I hold 420C. Let's see Balrampur Chini. Balrampur Chini. Actually speaking, this is a new entrant to F&O. It has entered F&O a couple of months back only. Even here, see the rise from where it has gone and until where it has gone. Now this is the monthly chart. Now let me convert into weekly charts. In weekly charts, he is still quoting above the super trend area. It's a fantastic move on weekly charts, sir. See, from the super trend signal, buy signal came around 140 zones. From there, it had a non-stop rally till 500. 525 is the high, I guess. Yeah, 500, 525. So now it's retracing some of its move. Now the support comes at 365. If 365 goes, you need to square off your position. On the other hand, you can hold on to your position if 365 holds. Now let's drill down further and see where there is a support before 365. There is no support before 365. 365 is the support. Now if you see the daily charts, he is exactly trading in and around 200 simple moving average. This maroon line is the 200 simple moving average which I usually have. Okay, so it is exactly quoting around the 200 simple moving average. Even though everything points on the downside, I would suggest you to hold with a stop loss around 365. If you are not comfortable with 365 as stop loss, at least hold on until it closes below this 200 moving average. Let me check and say what is the 200 moving average. Yeah, uh, 390 odd levels is the approximately 390 is the support. I mean, uh, 200 moving average. So you can have a small leverage of 10 more points, which is yesterday's low. Okay, so 380 will be your stop loss. If 380 holds, you hold on to your position. If on a given day 380 is taken out and it closes below 380, then don't even have second thoughts of holding your position, because it will definitely go and touch 365 and only then it can climb. Bank Nifty comes out of the fourth attempt. Now let me see. I think the fall is done for today. Could be moving on the higher side, provided if European market collapses, then we may see something going on the downside, or else mm, just give me a minute. Let me give a call. We are trying to come out of the huddle from 34,000. He is making multiple attempts. But the only good thing is he is not going and going back on the downside and creating new low. Nifty can be taken along now with days low as stop loss, maybe 20 points below days low. Nifty 16,000. Let me see where it is. So all lines 1,000. Look at the place where Bank Nifty has started bouncing from. I mean the 34,000 call. My entry was around 125 to 130, but that idiot climbed from 131.975, just 2 points. I would I don't know whether I I need to say it's bad luck or something like that. I am only able to laugh. Uh, Tata Steel gone for a toss as of now. Not sure whether it will recover and come back in between the day. iBull Housing, after yesterday's 20% fall, now is raising nearly 6%, but that is not enough, actually speaking. Somehow IT is providing some support today from the lows. Infi climbed 22 points and TCS climbed almost 65 points. Bajaj Finance. He makes a roaring move. 40 points from our entry. Remember, 37 is our entry. 5637. We are almost above, yeah, above 80. Beautiful chart setup for him. 1, 2, 3 on 5 minutes time frame. And the present bar which is running is getting created in between the two moving averages. Finally, Bank Nifty takes out 34,040. Can it sustain for another 15 minutes? If it sustains, we can see 200 points upward. And சரிங்களா, நான் ஒரு 3 நாள் அடுத்த வாரம் தான் வருவேன். சரிங்களா, நீங்கள் வந்து இந்த மெயில் இன்பில்லிங்லேயே அனுப்பிடலாமா? அதனால் ஒன்றும் பிரச்சனை இல்லை. முடாசிக் சாருக்கு அனுப்பிட்டு சிசி வந்து உலகநாதன் வைக்கணும், சென்னை அப்படின்னு. இன்னைக்கு எனக்கு ஒரு கால் வந்தது சார். மௌனகர் ஒருத்தர் கால் பண்ணாரு. யாருன்னு தெரியல. உங்களோட ஆஃபீஸில் வரணும், லொக்கேஷன் ஷேர் பண்ணுறேன், திருப்பூர்லேருந்து பேசுகிறேன், இன்ஸ்பெக்ஷன் வரணும் அப்படின்னு. அப்படி என்ன அனுப்புவோமா? ஆஃபீஸில் கிடையாது, நான் என் வீட்டில் இருந்து பண்ணிடுவேன். ஏன்னா நான் இன்னைக்கு ஊருக்கு போகிறேன் அப்படின்றதுனால நான் என்ன சொன்னேன், நான் நேம் தான் சேவ் பண்ணி வச்சுருக்கேன் சார். நான் வந்து 20 வாங்குறதுக்கு வந்து நான் கால் பண்ணுறேன். இல்லை சார், எக்ஸ்பெக்ட் பண்ணணும் வந்து அப்படின்னு சொல்லியிருக்கேன். கேட்டதுக்கு அவர் வந்து இல்லை அதெல்லாம் என்கிட்ட சொன்னது கவர்மெண்ட் அப்படின்னு சொல்லியிருந்தாங்க. ஆனால் நண்பர் என்ன நூற்றம்பது வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா வேறு ஏதாவது கிறிஸ்டின் ஜோ அப்படின்னு என்கிட்ட சொன்னது வந்து நான் நம்பர் அனுப்பிவிடுறேன், நீங்கள் செக் பண்ணுங்கள். செக் பண்ணிவிட்டு எதுனா நான் ஊருக்கு போய் வரணும். உங்களோட சிசிஐசி வச்சுக்கணுமா? சரி சார். இல்லை இல்லை, ஒன்றும் ப்ராப்ளம் இல்லை. நான் ஆக்சுவலாக அது நீங்கள் சொல்லவே இல்லைனாலும் நானே கேட்டாச்சும் வச்சுருக்கேன். நான் இதை அனுப்பி விட்றேன். நான் இன்னைக்கு ஏன்னா இப்போ ஊருக்கு போகிறதுல கொஞ்சம் இதுவாக இருக்கும். மதியானம் 2 மணிக்கு போயிடுவேன். அதனால் திங்ஸ் எல்லாம் கொஞ்சம் பேக் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன். நான் அவரோட நம்பர் அனுப்புகிறேன், நீங்கள் வந்து செக் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. அருண்கிட்டையும் ஒரு செக் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. சப்போஸ் இன்ஸ்பெக்ஷன் அப்படின்னு வந்தாங்கன்னா நான் என்ன ஆன்சர் பண்ணணும் நீங்கள் வந்து அவர் என்கிட்ட சொன்னது முகமதுன்னு சொன்னார். ஆனால் ட்ரூ கலரில் வேறு பேர் வரும். எப்பவுமே என் பேர் வந்து நான் ஜெப்பூர்லேருந்து பேசுகிறேன், சுரேஷ்குமார் பேர் வரும். ஆமாங்க சொல்லுங்க அப்படின்னா, சார் சுரேஷ்குமார் தான் பேசுகிறா அப்படின்னு 2 3 வாட்டி கேட்டேன். சார் நான் தான் சார் பேசுகிறேன் சொல்லுங்க அப்படின்னு. அதுக்கப்புறமா தான் அவர் வந்து என்ன சொன்னாங்க, இந்த மாதிரி ஜெப்பூர்லேருந்து பேசுகிறேன் சார், இன்ஸ்பெக்ஷனுக்காக வேணும், உங்கள் லொக்கேஷன் ஷேர் பண்ணுறேன் அப்படின்னு. சரி நான் வந்து இந்த மாதிரி ஊருக்கு போகிறேன் சார், அதனால ப்ளீஸ் நான் கொஞ்சம் வெளியில் போகிறது எனக்கு பண்ண முடியாது சார், நான் ஒர்க்கு நம்பர் சேவ் பண்ணி வச்சுருக்கேன், நான் வந்து கால் பண்ணுறேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லியிருக்கேன். சரிங்களா, நான் அவரோட நம்பர் அனுப்புகிறேன், நீங்கள் செக் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. அதுவும் ஒரு வாட்டி செக் பண்ணுங்க. சப்போஸ் அது மாதிரி என்ன இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் அந்த மாதிரி வரணும் அப்படின்னா 28 நாள் என்ன சொல்லுங்கள். தேங்க்யூ. Do we have any questions? This time Bank Nifty has taken off 34,000. Bro, 34,000 it has taken off, but it needs to sustain for minimum 15-20 minutes. 15 or 30 minutes would be ideal. If it sustains above 15 minutes also, it will be good. But better than this, if spot takes out 34,000, then it will be very good. Guys, I have a request for you people. Every day we are seeing only maybe 10-15 members maximum in our session. If you know any of your friends or relatives who are interested in markets and who are willing to participate in this kind of sessions, please do forward our link to them so that they may also get benefited by joining our live session. Just now noticed. Good morning, ma'am. I'm sorry I have noticed just now. People have, whoever have queries, just keep posting it. We'll try to answer. Yes. 1800 call. Once again, it faces struggle at that zone because there is a bit of writing in 34,000 strike, heavy writing seen in 34,000 strike. That is why it is not getting taken out that easily. If if spot comes out of above 34,000 and sustains for a couple of minutes, then these writers will try to cover their positions. That will obviously take it to higher levels. Any other questions, friends? Oops. I'm having Bajaj Finance chart in my list and thinking that it was Bank Nifty. What kind of idiotic observation which I have? 'He's slowly climbing up and coming down. That's how it goes. Five seven seven 8.70. That is the high of Bajaj Finance futures today. A weird guess that we can take out that high today. Just putting the ball in the court of market. Let's see whether it happens. The thing is, expiry day can do anything in markets. Sometimes we have seen some unbelievable things also. A call or put option which was trading at 3 rupees, 4 rupees would have gone to 200 rupees. Once again drifting down. There is no questions. I'm getting very bored. Triangle pattern is formed. Break on either side will move market. Mm, I don't know on which time frame you are speaking, bro. Yes, 34,000 call has given opportunity at 125. our levels. Let's take a chance. Very big divergence is there between Nifty and Bank Nifty today. Nifty more than 0.5%. Nifty is down 1.85, whereas Bank Nifty is down 2.4645. More than 0.5% divergence is there. Bank Nifty has broken the low of morning. This is not good, actually speaking. If Bank Nifty leads from the fund, then there are all chances that everything follow it. This is why I said Bank Nifty spot needs to cross 34,000 instead of futures. We never tried. Just for a few seconds, we stayed above 34,000. That was the problem. Because option chain, which gave a hint for us earlier, was helpful. Anyways, we have not taken any trade in futures. Just went alone with the option 34,000 call. Maybe let's see how it goes. Like we said earlier, it's just matter of timing, whether it makes today or tomorrow or day after. That's it. But definitely, it's 15,700 is going to be tested. I'm pretty sure about it. Looking at the pace, which I'm because when 16,000 goes, everything comes under panicness. Look at the fall. Hindalco 5% down. Jindal Steel 4.7. Tata Steel 3.74. Reliance 2.35. Reliance, I don't know how many of you have noticed, it has slowly come back to the place from where it started. From 2004, 350 odd zones, it rallied all the way to 2,800 plus. From there, 450 points down move, he has come and he came back to the place from where he started. That's very strange. Axis down 3%. Kotak and HDFC Bank each down 1.75. ICICI down 2. Bajaj Finance down 3.25. HDFC down 2. M&M 3.66. Maruti 1.89. Escorts 1.15. Everything on the downside, I am saying. The only one out of my watch list which is trading in green is TCS. Only one. That is the only one stock which I am seeing in green. Now, let me see. Gainers. Yes, the three stocks which are in green today are TCS, HCL Tech, and Tech Mahindra. That's it. Out of the Nifty 50, just three stocks are in green. All others are in red. All others. I will not get wonder or shocked if we get show 15700 today. The low of 15900 put, which we were speaking from the morning, is 50. Remember where I have suggested it? I have suggested it to take around 45 to 50 if there is a drop. It rallied from here. I told very clearly that we were supposed to buy around 45 to 50, but it rallied from 54 odd levels. So I have not suggested anyone to chase it. If it comes to 50, we can buy it. That is what my comment is. And it came to 50. I don't know how many of you have bought. Even I haven't bought. Just one or two clients of me have bought because they have sent a screenshot after booking profits at 80. That is why I'm remembering it. So it will be. Yes, the put is looking up again. Another 150 points to go. If that level comes, don't miss 16,000 call of next week. Just take it and keep holding. Guys, since we have very less participation today and there is no queries, I feel a bit bored. better we will wind up the session today, and we'll catch up tomorrow. See you all, guys. Have a good day. Bye for now.